Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to avoid scams in Mobox. So first, what you can do is you need to always use the official website and the apps. The official Mobox domain is the Mobox.io. So first you need to open to your web browser. And once you reach into this interface of your web browser, in the top there's an address bar. Type on mobox.io and enter it. Anything that looks like this mobox.io tokens, homes or similar could be a fake site. Always verify the URL before connecting your wallet or signing any transactions, and be aware of the fake websites and the spoofed collection. Phishing sites or the spoof NFT collection, example fake Mobox avatar collection, one secondary marketplace and common in Web3. They may look real but they are not. Always access marketplace from the platform itself over here and make sure you know the logo of your Mobox as well. And never share your private keys. Your wallet, seed phrase or private keys is your master password to all the assets, and never paste it to any website or share it with anybody. And genuine Mobox staff will never ask for it, and anyone who asks for your private key is almost certainly trying to steal your crypto. And also ignore unsolicited message and protect your wallet when connecting. When using Mobox with MetaMask or other wallets, over here in the top right corner we can find this wallet option, and make sure this wallet option makes sure you're connected to Mbox, MEC, BNB chain or the K. And only connect your wallet to Mobox via official link, and do not approve transaction until you fully understand what they do. Some scammy Web3 sites ask for wide permissions that can let them drain your wallet. And that is it, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.